Pre-intermediate 6. The rise of urban gardening. As more people move to big cities, the distance between humans and nature seems to be growing. To combat this, a new movement called urban gardening has become increasingly popular. Urban gardening involves growing fruits, vegetables, and flowers in small city spaces, such as balconies, rooftops, or community parks. This practice is not only about producing food, but also about improving the quality of urban life. Cities are often covered in concrete, which absorbs heat and increases temperatures. Green spaces created by gardens help to cool the air and provide a habitat for bees and birds, which are crucial for the environment. Moreover, urban gardening offers great psychological benefits. Many city dwellers suffer from stress due to their busy schedules and the noisy environment. Spending time working with soil and plants has been proven to lower stress levels and improve mood. It also encourages people to eat healthier, as there is nothing more satisfying than eating a tomato or a cucumber that you have grown yourself. In some neighborhoods, community gardens have also become social hubs, where people from different backgrounds come together to work and share their experiences. Although space is limited in a metropolis, with a bit of creativity and effort, anyone can turn a small corner of their home into a green oasis. It's a small step towards a more sustainable and peaceful city life.